I used to be really vain. I'd always spend time in front of the mirror, doing my hair, make sure I looked good, had the right shirt on, good shoes. Always judging a man by his shoes.
We were just an ordinary family. Me, Lucy and our son Sam. Then, just over 2 years ago, I caught a common cold. It was to change the course of my life overnight.
There's never been a point where I've wanted to walk away from it.
Walk away from this, you must be mad.
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for that amazing welcome and the warm-up act on the left-hand side there. My bizarre story starts about 3 years ago now. I was a very easygoing, laid-back guy. Never got stressed. I was living a very nice life. My partner and I, we had 2 pubs. I was in charge of one, and she was in charge of the other. And I was also the stay-at-home dad for my little boy. Once you work out the why, you will endure anyhow. And my why is my little boy, Sam, and Lucy, my fiancée. That's why I do what I do, why I want to push the limits for a quad amp, why I want to kayak, why I want to break the boundaries of disability, to make people see that we can do great, great stuff, achieve great things. The how is enduring my life as a quad amputee. But please, it is not a bad life. I live an incredible life, a life that I'm incredibly happy to be living. Thank you for listening to me today.